another problem with another unit. You can look at the back row here. So the back row is all not lighting up. Right? Hard to see right now. Let's feel better now. It's a little bit up to the edge, but not back there. Right, that's triple black.